Ever wondered how you can leverage Google Maps to earn money without any specialized skills? Imagine making up to $900 a day using just a tool many of us use daily. Sounds intriguing, right? Today, we'll explore exactly how you can turn Google Maps into a powerful income generator. This isn't just theoretical. People are already earning substantial amounts, and I'm about to show you how you can join them. Ready to discover these simple yet effective methods? Let's dive in. The secret behind Google Maps profits. Google Maps isn't just for finding the nearest coffee shop, it's a goldmine for those looking to make money online. With countless success stories of people making hundreds, even thousands of dollars using this platform, it's clear that the opportunities are vast. So, how exactly can you tap into this potential and start earning? In this video, we'll break down 5 methods that can help you make money with Google Maps. And the best part? No prior experience is required. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start and scale these methods, even automating them to run on autopilot. Number 1. Verifying businesses. How it works. Verifying businesses on Google Maps is a lucrative opportunity for those looking to make money without needing specialized skills. When businesses open, they must ensure their information on Google Maps is accurate and verified to improve their online visibility. Verification is crucial for businesses to appear credible and accessible to potential customers. You don't need to handle this process yourself. Instead, you can outsource it to freelancers on platforms like Fiverr. Freelancers typically charge between $50 to $90 for verification services. How to profit. You can charge businesses anywhere from $150 to $300 for this service, which means you keep a significant portion of the payment. For example, if you charge $200 and pay a freelancer $70, you pocket $130. This approach allows you to earn money with minimal effort, simply by connecting businesses with the verification services they need. Number 2. Website development. Why it's valuable. Website development is another profitable way to leverage Google Maps. Many businesses require professional websites to establish their online presence and attract customers. Even if you lack experience in web development, you can still tap into this market. Platforms like Fiverr offer access to experienced web developers and copywriters who can create websites for businesses. Typically, web development services start at around $100, while copywriting services are available from $35. Getting started. If you're just starting and have limited funds, consider doing some of the work yourself or offering services at a discounted rate in exchange for testimonials. This can help build your reputation and attract more clients. Alternatively, hire freelancers to handle the technical aspects while you manage client relationships. This method not only generates income, but also helps you build a professional network. Number 3. Helping businesses rank higher on Google Maps. Importance of optimization. Businesses strive to rank higher on Google Maps to increase their visibility and attract more customers. By optimizing their Google Maps listings, you help them improve their ranking and get noticed more easily. This process involves enhancing their business profile with relevant keywords, high-quality images, and managing customer reviews. Effective optimization can significantly boost a business's local search visibility and drive more traffic to their physical location. How to offer this service? You can either perform these optimization tasks yourself or hire someone with expertise in SEO and Google Maps optimization. Charge businesses $200 to $500 for improving their rankings. If you choose to outsource, ensure the quality of the work is high to justify the cost and maintain client satisfaction. This method provides a valuable service while generating a substantial income. Number 4. Offering graphic design services. Why it's needed. Graphic design services are in high demand as businesses require visual content for marketing and branding. From logos and brochures to social media graphics and website visuals, there's a broad range of design needs. Even if you're not a graphic designer yourself, you can still provide these services by outsourcing the work. Platforms like Fiverr connect you with skilled graphic designers who can create high-quality visuals for your clients. How to manage it. Start by finding clients who need graphic design work. You can charge $100 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity and scope of the design. If you hire freelancers to do the actual design work, you'll keep a portion of the payment while ensuring your clients receive professional quality results. This approach allows you to offer a valuable service without needing graphic design skills yourself. Number 5. Running ads for businesses. The demand for ad management. Many businesses need help with managing their online advertising campaigns to reach their target audience effectively. Whether it's on platforms like Facebook, Google, or TikTok, businesses are willing to invest in ads, but often lack the expertise to manage them efficiently. By offering ad management services, you can help businesses optimize their ad spend and improve their return on investment. How to get started? You can manage ad campaigns yourself if you have the necessary skills or hire experts to handle them. Charge businesses $500 to $2,000 per month for ad management services. If you choose to outsource the work, ensure you carefully vet the experts to guarantee quality results. This method can provide a significant income stream while helping businesses enhance their online presence. Using Stripe for payments. Setting up a payment processor. To receive payments for your services, you need a reliable payment processor. Stripe is a popular choice due to its ease of use and reliability. It supports payments from various countries and integrates well with many online platforms. Setting up Stripe involves signing up on their website, providing necessary details such as your tax ID and business information, and verifying your account. Why Stripe is preferred. Stripe is preferred over other payment processors like PayPal because of its straightforward setup and fewer issues with account management. It offers features like two-step authentication for added security and comprehensive support for handling transactions. If Stripe isn't available in your country, consider alternatives like PayPal or Wise, which can offer similar functionalities for receiving payments. Building your online presence. The need for a professional website. Clients often expect a professional website to verify the legitimacy of your services. A well-designed website not only adds credibility, but also helps attract and retain clients. Services like Hostinger provide affordable hosting and easy-to-use website builders, making it simple to create a professional online presence. How to create and manage a website. Sign up with Hostinger, choose a suitable domain name, and start building your website. Use this site to showcase your services, share client testimonials, and offer additional information. Consider adding affiliate marketing or other revenue streams to maximize your earnings. A strong online presence is crucial for building trust and expanding your business. By leveraging Google Maps through these methods, you can start earning significant income with minimal skills. Whether it's verifying businesses, offering website services, optimizing listings, or running ads, there are ample opportunities to generate revenue. Start today and turn Google Maps into your new income source. Thanks for watching. If you found these methods helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know which method you're excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling and stay motivated. See you in the next video.